Namaste, Namaskar, and welcome to another episode of Massive Dynastar.
சார் நம்மளது 241 ரைனோ ட்ராக்.
Correct.
ரைனோ ட்ராக் மூலியமா
Okay.
பால் கறக்கும் எந்திரம் நம்ம வண்டி மூலியமா நம்ம செஞ்சுக்கலாம் சார்.
मेरा आइडिया है ट्रैक्टर से चलित आटा चक्की।
आइडिया है वो प्रो ट्रीट ऑन व्हील्स।
என்னோட ஐடியா வந்து மக்காச்சோளம் நெல் காய வைக்கும் நவீன இயந்திரம்.
So we created Dynastar, a contest where we call for innovative ideas from farmers, from students, from startups, and any entity who could put in a valid or a very unique and different idea.
Dynastar competition is an open innovation platform. Younger people coming into agriculture.
The energy and enthusiasm of the participants is amazing.
13 contestants, 13 stories, 13 episodes.
Safe presents Massey Dynastar Contest Season 2. This contest is built around our Dynatrack series of tractors.
So the tractor pulls the trailer model.
I figured out while using the solar panels.
Why would you use a large tractor?
Because you need everything in a controlled environment.
What should be the minimum kg input required?
What is the life of that? How you said that farmers can?
Which will improve the efficiency of the engineering was involved. Business angle was brought in.
Really honored to have our finalists here.
3 winners. We finally decided.
And the winner is
Avinash Desai.
Woo!